Dear students, good morning. Today we are going to discuss about supervised learning. That is the Unit 2 title of Unit 2, supervised learning. From the name itself, we can come to the conclusion that supervised learning. That means what? The learning is done under the supervision, some monitoring. Okay. So here the definition of supervised learning. It is a category of machine learning that uses labeled data sets to train algorithms to predict outcomes and recognize patterns. So you can see the image here, the representation. Labeled data is there and labels are there. Here the labels based upon the shapes, it is labeled. Okay, the shapes are hexagon, triangle, square, and we are feeding this label data and labels as a data input to the model training. What will happen if we give the machine learning algorithm? It will use the algorithms and it will do the prediction as well as the test data. Based upon the prediction and test data, we can get the output, that is it is a square and triangle. Likewise, we will get the output. This is how the supervised learning will be happened. So here, especially for supervised learning, we need to label the data. Without labeling data, the supervised learning will not be happen, right? Next, one more example. You can see this image, that is the training set. So here more images are there, that dog and cat images. So here we can see the dog images. So different dogs images are here. Okay, likewise cat images also here. And for new instance, this is also we can see this is also the cat image, but we didn't label clearly. Okay, so we didn't label clearly so that the machine will get confused and it will not get the data exactly. So in supervised learning, whatever the data we predefined and labeled, those data will be analyzed very easily. So using this image, we can come to the conclusion that the supervised learning data need the labeling. Okay, without labeling, we are unable to get the exact picture. Next, supervised learning applications. The supervised learning models can be used for a number of different business use cases that help address a wide range of problems. Common supervised learning examples include the following examples, especially the risk assessment. And supervised machine learning model can help banks and other financial services companies determine whether the customers are likely to default loans, helping to minimize the risk of their portfolios. So mainly it is involved in the risk assessment. Then come to this image classification. Supervised machine learning algorithms are often trying to classify objects in images and videos. For example, an algorithm might be used to recognize a person in each image and automatically tag them on a social media platform. Yes, in day-to-day life, we are all fond of the social media platform, right? For example, if we use in the Facebook and we frequently using the or frequently watching the same video, what the supervised learning principle based upon the AI it will do, it will show again and again what the data already we searched, the same data will be displayed in front of our display. Okay, so this is how the machine learning process will happen in the social media also. And come to the fraud detection. Supervised learning underpin many fraud detection systems, enabling enterprise to recognize fault pattern activity. These models are trained on data set that contain both fraudulent and non-fraudulent activity, so they can be used to flag suspicious activity in real time. Okay, so this is how the fraud detection takes place under supervised learning. And next come to the recommendation systems. Supervised learning algorithms are used by online platforms and streaming services to power recommendations based on previous customer behavior or shopping history. Yes, already we discussed, based upon our user experience and history, it will display and it will identify our interest. According to that, it will display the category or items which we need to be. Okay, the models extract in important information about a user's behavior and suggest similar product and content. Yes, we discussed the same. And coming to the supervised learning advantages and disadvantages, here we have few advantages. Using supervised learning, we can have the clear objective because we are making the labeled data, so we knew what are the data we have already fed, so we can have the clear objective. And predictive accuracy, we have the predictive accuracy, performance metrics. So because the accuracy is very perfect, and the performance metrics also, we can get the exact and feature engineering, robust algorithms, and applicability. So these are the main advantage of supervised learning. And disadvantages, the disadvantages, dependency on labeled data, overfitting risk, bias in data, scalability, robust algorithms, and limited to historical data. So these are the some disadvantages of supervised learning. So coming to the conclusion, the supervised learning is very important in the machine learning algorithms. Thank you.